Hey guys, welcome back to SJ's TechnoHub. Previously, we discussed about headings, and I also want you to know that headings are extremely important. Search engines use the headings to index the structure and content of your web pages. Users often skim a page by its headings. It is important to use headings to show the document structure. H1 headings should be used for the main headings, followed by H2 headings, then the less important headings, that is H3 and so on. And don't forget to use the HTML headings for headings only. It's extremely important that you don't use headings to make text big or bold. We can do that by using styling in CSS. So don't worry about it if you want something to be bold or big in size. Each HTML heading has a default size. However, you can specify the size for any heading with the style attribute using the CSS font size property. We are going to go through a lot of CSS examples when we reach the CSS section. Now let's talk about the paragraph tags. The HTML element defines a paragraph. As you can see, we have removed the previous headings tags and we have used the p tag right here. And you never know how an element will be displayed on the browser. Even though we can add a lot of spaces right here, or we can just divide this paragraph tag into two halves, having the word tag right below in the second line. But I assure you that this won't have any change on the browser. The browser will ignore these spaces and this start from the next line. Let's save this file and refresh this page, and you can see it right here that the browser ignores the extra spaces and the start of the next line. Wait a minute, I think the browser didn't ignore this space in between. One of the spaces has not been ignored right here. Now, this is what I meant when you don't know what's the browser going to show. So this was it for today.